It's welcome, well.
Hello and good morning. A very warm welcome to another day at Streaming School. It is lovely to have you all with us again for another week of learning from home. So as ever, we're going to have a range of GCSE lessons that are going to be available to you, which are going to keep your brain warm and keep you thinking about things in a school-based manner alongside all the great stuff that your school is doing. Now, 99% of our lessons are live, so you can interact and send us questions on the various social media platforms such as Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook, and the teachers can endeavour to answer them. We're going to have a slight change this week where we compact it a little more after response from schools and users who said sometimes when the 20-minute break, it's just a bit long for them. So we've actually brought it down. It's just going to be a 5-minute break now. So you have a 20-minute session, 5-minute break, and then another 20-minute session. And you'll have that 3 or 4 times a day. And hopefully that'll be something that's useful and enjoyable for you to be able to fully keep yourself engaged with learning until your school's back up. And we're hoping to be with you until schools are back up and running. So without further ado, I'm going to welcome my good friend, Mr. Action Jackson, into the fold. A very good morning to you, Action. How are you, buddy?
I am doing amazing. Thank you very much. Doing super this morning, man. Feeling good. The sun's out and I'm amped.
Brilliant, brilliant. How was your first weekend of fatherhood?
It's been good, you know. She's behaved. She wakes up at 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. for feeding. And that's it. So other than that, she's been good. So I'm happy about that.
Well, long may it last, buddy. Long may it last. Long may it last. Well, yeah, the floor is yours, buddy. I'm really looking forward to being inspired by you this morning.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Well, good morning, everyone. This is Action Jackson, the resident motivator here at the Free Streaming School. Welcome to your morning motivation. My job is just to inspire you to tap into that motivation. A bit about me, motivational speaker now for the last 20 years. I love what I do with a passion. You know, what I do makes me smile. What I do makes me feel good about myself. And my job here today is to make you feel good about yourself. See, life can be tough sometimes, but with the right energy, you can go to places that you never thought you could go to. So today I just want to help you focus in on what's important about you. And the first thing that's important is your thinking. The way you think will always affect how you feel about life. So you must control your thoughts. And the way I control my thoughts is through music. And I like to dance. I don't know about you. I like dancing. So I'll just start my session with dancing. And the way I go about that is this. I just ask you to say this. I am amazing. It's a simple move. Say, I am amazing. Makes you feel so good. Say, I am amazing. Yes, that's the phrase you need. That's the phrase you need. No matter what anybody tells you, remember that you are amazing. I'm so happy for this opportunity that we get to be able to connect with you from around the world. So I'm going to share my screen in a moment. I'm going to go straight into my presentation because I need you to start thinking about how to stay motivated on another level. I've been doing this for the last 20 years. And one thing that's really helped me is what I'm about to share with you right now. So, name's Action Jackson, been doing this for 20 years. I love what I do with a passion, and I want you to be able to love what you do with a passion. Dreaming big is so important. Whatever your dreams are, Free Streaming School is trying to equip you with the right grades to be able to get the right qualification to fulfill your big dream. So always remember that. Always remember that. All right? So today I'm going to talk about mentorship. I don't know if you recognize the picture. So some of us who are a bit older, that's Mr. Miyagi and Danielson from Karate Kid. And today I want to talk about mentorship. A mentor is someone who shows you the way. See, Free Streaming School is like your mentors. We're showing you the way in motivation and different topics. My question to you is this. Do you have a mentor in your life? Because a mentor will help you in areas that you can't even see. A mentor can save you decades of pain and frustration. A mentor, and watch this phrase, a mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside of yourself. You might not see what you're capable of, but a mentor helps you to see what you are capable of. It's funny, I'm mentoring a young lady at the moment, and she's a beautiful singer, but she's too scared to release her songs on Instagram. I said to her, just record 1 minute and release it. She said, no, I'm nervous. So I realized that she needed me to mentor her a bit more. So yesterday I called her up. I said, I want you to find 7 of your best songs that you love and what they mean to you. We talked through that song, and guess what I got her to do? She's going to release 7 songs over the next 7 days. She's going to sing them, songs that she already knows, just to build her confidence. A mentor gives you advice. They help you with the direction and coaching. 2 things I want you to do. Find a mentor and follow their advice. If you want to boost your motivation level, you need a mentor in your life. So number 1, you got face-to-face mentors, those who you can see. They might be even your uncle, your auntie, your mom, your dad. You never know. You know, your bigger brother, younger sister. Everyone's our mentors, people who can teach you something that you don't know. Then there's the internet mentor. Well, I would class myself as an internet mentor. I'm not in front of you face to face, but through the internet, I can mentor you. Free streaming school, they're like your mentors. We're here to assist you. Then the third, I love this one. Books can be your mentors. I've got different books on my position. I got 1,700 books. So I've got 1,700 mentors. If I want to be mentored in finance, I find a book and I read it. So those are the 3 types of mentorship that you can get. My question is this: what do you want to become in your life? And have you got a mentor for that area of your life? If you want to be better at something, find a mentor. You need a mentor for every area of your life. I want you to start thinking from that point of view so that you don't have to suffer by yourself. Yeah? So a mentor saves you time. They save you all the time. Because if you don't have a mentor, you're wasting time on things. Right? Now, your challenge today is this. Identify a mentor and send them a message. Yes, you can find a mentor online. You can follow them on Instagram, not stalk them, and say, hi, I love what you do. Can you please mentor me? The worst thing they can say is no. So as you're thinking about this, I want you to think, in order for me to be better, I need to find a mentor. I'm going to leave you with this question for you to start pondering on. Have I found my mentor, and where are they right now? I want you this week to locate a mentor, okay? Find them, and don't ever think they're going to say no to you. And if they do say no to you, guess what? Some will say no, some will say no. So what? Someone is actually waiting to mentor you. So don't be afraid to reach out. And remember, you are amazing. You are amazing. Say to yourself, I am amazing. With that said, thank you so much. If you want to get some online mentorship through my social media, I've put so many mentoring clips on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube on Action Jackson Live. I'm also on Twitter as well, Action Jackson. Thank you so much for today. And remember, your assignment for this week is go and find a mentor. Over to you guys at Free Streaming School.
Thank you so much, Jackson, buddy. Have a great, great day.
You too. How you doing, Mr. God?
Good to see you, mate. Yeah, always a pleasure. Always a pleasure.
Excellent stuff. Excellent stuff. Have a great session.
Thanks,
Thank
buddy.
you.
Hey, Mike, how you doing, buddy?
Yeah, all good. All good. It's going to feel potentially like Groundhog Day for 3 minutes of people's lives today as we kind of reflect back on the ability to write letters.
Brilliant, buddy. Just before we do that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to end the event and restart it, just so it's cut up nicely and the motivation was separate. But just stay on the line. It's going to be for